Hey there, Jassim here from strumatease, and today we are going to be unboxing the Sony's WH-1000X-M3. Now this video has been 3 years long overdue, so let's get right into it. Opening the box, we are greeted with the headphones carrying case that has a hard shell with fabric suede exterior, which I really liked. Turning it over, there is an area to store any of your additional accessories. Personally, I use it for storing port dongles and such. There is nothing much in the box after that, just a couple of paperwork and user instructions for connecting and operating the device. The carrying case also has a nice rose gold hardware finish that matches the color really well. And now for the fun part. The headphones has a nice matte finish, while the ear cups and headbands has a soft leatherish material that blocks noise pretty nicely. The XM3 also has NFC for wireless pairing and touch control to operate your device. The external microphones can be found on either side of the headphones, as well as physical buttons for power, noise cancellation cycle, and port for charging and wired connection. Additional accessories include a 1.2 meter 3.5 to 3.5 cable, airplane audio adapter, and a USB Type-C charging cable. Hopefully this video was of any help. Until next time. Cheers.